Hi. simpliRP helps you in process compliances. We will see what happens when we have to make changes to an existing supplier PO. Go to reopen a purchase order. Earlier we have created a purchase order 154. Select 154 and click confirm. We now go to edit PO. You can see that PO is appearing. You can make changes in basic detail. You can also go to enter items to PO. Add or delete an item. Close and print the PO. You can see a revision number is appearing. You can also see the difference between the old PO and new PO. There are a lot more features. simpliRP is the easiest way for your process compliances. Please feel free to contact us. Thank you.